So it has two articulation points, because it had two different sounds. So it has two different articulation points. So if it is non-mad, so it is, again, it's mad, it's not mad, it's non-mad, which is when it is a consonant, then its articulation point is al-lisan, the tongue, as from the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth that lies opposite to that position. Okay, so let me explain the top part first. So this is the middle, making green. Okay, that's the middle of the tongue, and that's the middle of the tongue, and what lies opposite to that. So that's when we are pronouncing ya as a consonant, not vowel, as a consonant. For example, I. So the middle of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth that opposite to the middle of the tongue. Okay, that's I. See here as well. That's the middle of the tongue and opposite to that of the roof of the mouth. Okay, so I, when it is consonant. That's one explanation. And if it is written as a mud or long vowel, then it has different. Then it's al-jawf. Al-jawf, that's the empty space in the mouth and the throat. That's the empty space in the mouth and the throat. That is its makhraj. For example, E, B, ki, the second part of all these words are the long vowel of long vowel of ya. Okay. So what we can do, we can explain one of them with the 3D model when it is consonant. Okay, so that's the middle of the tongue. Okay, that's the roof. Okay. So yeah, when it's consonant, then what is going to happen when we're pronouncing it? Then it's the middle of the tongue. Change the color, more clear. So that's the middle of the tongue, and that touches opposite to that of the roof of the mouth. Okay, so that's the ya when consonant. I, second part of I, ya. That is the articulation point for ya.